Here we have a Poulan countervibe 3400. It's a very clean saw. I'd have to guess this is somewhere in the mid 80s, maybe early 80s. It's the original owner's one I got it from. He only used it around his yard a little bit. You can see the muffler is very clean. There's no rust on it. The saw's never been outside and in the rain or riding around the back of a pickup truck. You see the bottom of the saw, there's no scratches and very little scuffing right here. All the rubber mounts are like new. There's no dry rot. Saw was well taken care of. It has all the original paint on it. It's not all beat up, scuffed up. See, the rear mount looks fairly new. Saw's never been worked on from what I've been told. It's never been disassembled or rebuilt in any way. That's the original cylinder. You can see how clean it is. There's no pitch or oil up in there. There's that muffler. The stickers are all pretty good shape. Here's your choke. This is your manual oiler. One off switch. It's got the throttle presence lever, and then also it's you lock your throttle. The top cover is really clean. You can see the serial number still there. Starting instructions. Bar and chain's in good shape. Most likely that's the original bar and chain. You can see up in here it's pretty clean. There's a little bit of pitch up in there, a little bit of dirt. Saw hasn't been abused. Runs real good, starts easy. I haven't done anything to it. When I got it, I dumped some fuel in it, pulled it a couple times, and fired right up. So this also comes with it. This is the original owner's manual. It's got a little bit of writing on it, spark plug, serial number, carb adjust, stuff like that. But the edges of the pages and everything are run nice and clean. It's not all greased up. And it has a lot of information in there. You get into the back and you got your exploded diagrams, your parts, listings and everything. So this is a good one for the collectors if you want a nice complete original saw. It's not all burned out and trashed. You're not going to have to repaint this one. You can just go ahead and throw it right on the shelf or go out and cut some wood with it.